6 healthy vegan ice cream substitutes for you to try this summer. First, we have pure pineapple. We're going to start with 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks. Then 1/2 cup of pure orange juice. You can add some agave or stevia or whatever kind of added sweetener that you prefer, or you can leave it out. I love a sweet and sour tangy drink. So the reason why you want your pineapple chunks to be frozen is because it makes it nice and slushy like sorbet or ice cream or sherbet. It's really, really good. And then if you want some extra nutrition, you can top it with fresh fruit like strawberries. You can put hemp seeds on top, chia seeds, blueberries. It makes a great smoothie bowl or sorbet or smoothie. Next, we have Berry Bliss. So first you're gonna put mixed berries, frozen. What we have here is frozen peaches, strawberries, and blueberries. And you can put a cup or 2. Then put a half portion, like if it's 1 cup frozen fruit, then put half cup. If it's 2 cups, then use 1 cup of almond milk. Again, use whatever sweetener you prefer. I like monk fruit sweetener. It tastes the most like real sugar to me. I like to add some chia seeds, some agave, blueberries. Oh, and we have coconut yogurt. That's always good.
You have to try this
now
healthy,
this one, honeydew melon ginger juice. It's really healthy. It's so refreshing. So first I made almond milk ice cubes. That was great because I'm not going to freeze the honeydew melon first. I'm just going to blend it up and it's going to make a real frothy, chunky juice. So first you're going to dump those seeds. You don't want those in your drink. And then just scoop the rest of the melon into your food processor or blender. And then I added a splash of lemon juice, some ginger paste, my favorite monk fruit sweetener, fresh ginger, and just blend it on high, and it's going to become really frothy. And pour it on top of your almond milk ice cubes. And when I made this, I was like 8 weeks pregnant and I was just so nauseous all the time, and that ginger really hit the spot. Okay, now we're gonna make watermelon sorbet. I think we're on number 3. I think we're on number 4 actually. Okay, so first we're just gonna scoop that seedless watermelon into a giant bag, because you want to break it apart into chunks and then freeze it before you blend it, so we can make it slushy like a smoothie or like sorbet. This is an older video, so I had stevia at the time. I hadn't found monk fruit yet, and I actually added thick coconut cream to this one and make it nice and chunky. So what you do to get the coconut cream is get a can of coconut milk, full fat. Put it in the refrigerator, in the coldest section of your refrigerator overnight. And then the thick coconut fat will separate from the liquid, and you scoop it'll go to the top, and just scoop that out and just use that. Okay, here we're gonna have, what is this, number 5 or 6? And this is our healthy spinach smoothie. Use pineapple and spinach, almond milk, a splash of lemon, and some sweetener of your choice. And you really can't, the spinach is so subtle, you'll barely even notice it, and you get like 2 portions of green veggies. It's really nutritious and delicious. Okay, now we're on number 6. Now this one has Oreos in it, but everything else is low calorie. So this is like one of those, we're making, healthy choices, but it's not like, what's the word I'm thinking of? Like subtle, you know what, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna blend. So you make almond milk ice cubes, unsweetened, sugar-free. And then blend the almond milk ice cubes with a tablespoon of peanut butter and add some sweetener if you like. I like sweetener. So that's really low in calories right there. It's low in sugar, low in carbs. But then you add a little drizzle of Oreo and sugar-free chocolate syrup. I used 3 Oreos. And that was my little extra treat for the day. Follow for more recipes.